What is up, YouTube? We are finally today going to be attempting to get Pinkman started, the 206 cylinder. We're going to try to get it some life. First off, I apologize for the mess that is my garage. You probably can't see me that way because the light is unreal. But I made the mistake of pulling the car in the garage rather than bringing it out here so that I can attempt to put the battery in it and jump it without pulling my truck inside the garage, because I don't know if my truck will fit. I don't think so. I think it's too tall. I'm not really willing to risk it. Me and Cashton, my little buddy in here who's playing monster trucks, are gonna try to do that. And then another awesome thing that we're gonna try to do as well, if it doesn't start, is get these put on. Look at these units. Woo, boys. Yes. What would a Fox body base car be without 4 lug weld drag lights? Man, it wouldn't be much of anything. So, impact, chesty, we got some lug nuts, we got a battery that I'm hoping is half decent, and there's the lug nuts, some lug nuts. And we're gonna try to get this thing on here. I don't know if these lug nuts are gonna work, so this may be a complete fail all the way around. We may not get much of anything done. What do you think about it? What do you got? You got a little fish into monster trucks? Nice. Nice. You want to get the race car started? You want to try and start it up? Okay. Oh, keys. Look, we gotta do some stuff, buddy, before we try the keys. So, look, we're gonna have to. You want to get in it? Okay, let's do that. Let's see. I don't think you're gonna be able to start it because there's no battery. Look at that. Come on, get in it. All right. It's one way to do it. Paw malls in the floorboard with some Eclipse gum. I mean, shoot. All right. What do you think? You gonna race it? You can drive it? The keys are in it. Yeah, keys are in it. See, can you start it? See it? Huh? Stay in here? Okay. Let's see what we can do. Keys in there. Let's see what we can do. Oh, there you go. You're trying to start it. Almost. Let's see what we can do, buddy. I'm going to have to pull it back. Yes, tractor is going to pull the race car. So what we've done is just we're going to see how this goes. I don't think it'll be real hard to move back. We're not going to move it back very far. But we've got the keys in here. Let's put this thing in neutral. Reverse. Neutral. All right, hold on. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. All right. We got the little man. Let's see if we can use the tractor to pull this thing backwards. We got to put it in four wheels. There we go. Wouldn't go in 4 there for a second. Oh, no, that's not good. What happened? Let's see what happened. Let's put it, hold that bumper. I think I jerked it too much. I'm not really worried about these bumpers because they'll probably eventually be fiberglass one day anyways. Let's get this thing resituated here. hope it holds. 'Cause if it don't, it's gonna take off rolling into the garage. All right. I think we're good right there. That thing is hilarious. All right, pop the hood. Here we go. Now, let's see what we got here, Cash. Okay. Inline, 6-cylinder, 200. Let's take this off. Here's our ground, looks like. Here's our ground and our power and our mess of water that we're gonna have to get up. Okay. Take this off and let's see if any rodents have took up residence in the, yeah. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. We're just gonna see if we can get it to fire today, and if it can, okay, not bad. Okay, we got us a carburetor here. Let's see, where's my throttle? Right here. Where's my choke? I don't even, whoa. Huh. I have a feeling that that's not supposed to move like that. I don't know what is going on. That's definitely not, the whole carburetor is not supposed to move off of that like that. I doubt looks like there's a gasket. So this is definitely, most likely not going to run, but we are going to try it. I don't know if anybody can see what I got going on here, but this is like, I don't know if there's a bolt loose. I'm not even sure. Looks like there is a bolt on the bottom that's backed out somehow. Golly, how in the world would you ever get to it? I don't know. That's crazy. Crazy little setup. Probably have to take it all apart. I'm curious if we could just get it to crank. Let's see what we can do. All right, so we're hooked to the truck. We've got a battery in. Now, let's see what we can do here. Let's put some red on this deal. Let's put some black on this deal. I don't think this is gonna work. We'll see. This is terrible. Dangerous. We'll see here. Maybe not. Let's start the truck, make sure we got enough juice. Let's put some gas straight down this carburetor, see if it fires. You ready? Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if it even tries to turn over.
I like it. I like it.
Not a thing.
I like it. I like it.
Hold on. Not a thing. Not a single thing. Let's see what we can do here. I think we're on the wrong battery on the truck. Alright, now we have some juice. I know for a fact we've got some juice, so we're going to sketch it up. I don't know how this is going to go. Oh, let's see. We got some fresh fuel in the carb. Fresh, quote unquote. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Y'all hear that? Oh my goodness. Oh, we lost it. We lost our noise. I bet we had a buzzer for a second. Let's see if we pop something off over here. Yep, I knew we would. I think it's this whole deal over here. Oh my gosh, I hate dealing with batteries. Let's see what we got now. Oh, I hear it. Oh my goodness. It's just gonna take a second. Cashton. Oh, the buzzer actually works inside of this thing. Holy crap. What did you find? Money? Where'd you find that? Nice. Good job. All right. So, let's let it charge up for a minute. I doubt this thing fires with the way that the carburetor situation is going on. I'm not going to put a whole lot of effort into this thing, but I think it would be awesome if this thing started up. It will be hilarious. Sun is already going down behind the mountain, and I've got to get those away. All right, let's give it a minute. Let's let it charge this thing up. All right, so we've given it a minute, or about as long as I can stand without trying it again. And let's see if it at least turns over. Oh my gosh, listen to that buzzer. Oh, we got a click. We got fuel pressure? Oh, we got some fuel in it. Let's see. Let's see if it's the... I hear a click, but let's see if it's just the starter solenoid. Nope. I believe the starter's plumb locked up. Sounds like it is to me. Nice. Y'all see that unit? That unit's maybe go on this one day. Depends on if I decide to sell to Jimmy or not. So what do you think, dude? What do you think? One more try? What did you do? What are you doing? Yeah, I need to put the keys down. Let's try it one more time. We'll see what it does. We just got clicking going on. Okay. God. Can't believe that thing is still working. It's just that right there. Watch this. Oh. Let's see, y'all can't see probably. See that thing? That is all that noise is. It's that deal right there. God, that is an annoying sound. Battery works, and a little bit of other stuff work. Oh boy. But not gonna start. The motor's not locked up though, so that's the good thing. But looks like to me the poor starter is probably locked up, along with this mess right here wobbling around like it's no tomorrow. It's probably why it was put out of commission, if I had to guess. Now let me go get this little boy out of this truck and we'll talk some more about it. Say hi. Say hi. Say wave at this. Go to the house? Okay, all right, let me get you. See if these poor wheels will even come off. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Nice. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. All right, that thing is on there pretty good, but let's go ahead, get it in the air so we can put the new wheel on it. That side is locked on there. This side has got a lot less rust, so we're going to try this side now. Let the other side, I put some brake fluid around that rust. Sometimes that lets things come off. We may go back to that one, but now I'm gonna jack this side up and see if I can do it. Man, it's rough. Crap, finally got it. Let me clean this lens or screen or whatever. Yeah, get it, buddy. I get that off there. I mean, I know it's not excellent paint, but do not touch the car with tools, okay? Pretty confused considering I was just slamming a hammer on this thing, ain't you? But look at that thing. Oh my gosh, everything's so rusted up. Luckily, we're getting rid of all this very, very soon. Yeah, working on it. Good job. So, you want to see if we can put another wheel on it? Okay, let's do it. And as most things happen when you're not prepared, I have gotten absolutely nothing accomplished. Wheels, love my old junky chair. Wheels, front lug nuts that I've got aren't right, aren't correct. I'm going to have to buy lug nuts or get the correct lug nuts. I was just in a rush. Haven't tried rears yet. And I don't think I'm going to do rears until I get the fronts, because I don't trust my whole get up here. I don't trust. Well, I guess if I put it's on jack stands in the front, I may be all right. Well, we'll just play it. We'll just play it by ear here. But what do you think, buddy? You like the chair? Yeah. Anyways, this is turning out to be so much fun. Oh, I can't get one thing accomplished, but you know. Old stuff. No, not yet. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. All right. Let's try one more thing here. Not a single thing has went the way that I wanted to. Not a single. Well, one wheel came off. Found out that I didn't have the exact lug nuts that I needed. Rear wheels won't come off. I don't have really any WD-40 for some reason at my house. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm going to get some of that tomorrow. And then hopefully these wheels will come on. So this has just been a day of struggle. You can hear the awesome of that thing. We're losing battery, boys. And that's about it. That's what we're going to do. That's all we're going to do. This guy right here has been fun. You bet you... Pizza? Is that what you want? All right. That's it for now. Peace out, Girl Scout.